If you know how to use Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, then you must be familiar with the concept of hashtags. But do you know how to use them strategically? Hashtags are everywhere these days. You can see them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Hashtag can increase your followers, multiply your content reach, and improve searchability, leading to an increase in your business. As a marketing professional, you can't ignore them. You should know how to use them strategically. Hey guys, I am Amirishid, marketing professional, and today we are going to look at brand and campaign specific hashtag which will help you understand everything you need to know about using them to get more followers, improve your post engagement rate, and build a community around your business. We can categorize hashtags into 3 different types. Number 1, brand and campaign specific hashtags. Number 2, community hashtags. Number 3, trending hashtags. In this episode, I will be discussing only brand and campaign specific hashtags, while community and trending hashtags will be in the next episodes. Brand hashtag is a tag that's unique to your company name or a tagline. Make a brand hashtag that defines your business and use them as your signature tag. A branded hashtag may start as a campaign slogan and then they become a branded hashtag. Few examples of branded hashtag are hashtag have a break, hashtag yes we can, or hashtag share a coke. Following a hashtag works just like following a user's profile. When you find a hashtag you would like to follow, you simply open the hashtag page and tap on the follow button. For brands and businesses, this opens up a great opportunity to routinely appear in a follower's feed. For example, if you have a branded hashtag for your businesses, you can invite your followers to also follow your unique hashtag. This means that your content could appear twice in a follower's feed, once as they follow your profile and once again as they follow the hashtag. It doubles your chances of engagement. Let me repeat, this is very important for marketing professional. Branded hashtag could appear twice in followers feed, once as they follow your profile and once again as they follow the hashtag. It doubles your chances of engagement. Instagram user can search for their favorite brand using the branded hashtag, and your true fan can use branded hashtag on their post to showcase your product or services in their post, or to simply interact with you. Be sure to check your branded hashtag frequently so you can respond and react to the post. You can use following 5 steps for creating a branded hashtag for your business. Step 1. Start by making a list of all hashtags that are related to your company name, brand, and slogan. Step 2. Keep your brand hashtag short and easy to spell, which will help your customer to remember your tag and use it correctly. For example, if you are selling a designer furniture on discount, you may use hashtag discount furniture, but don't use discount designer furniture for you. Step 3. Before you use it, search for it on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, and Facebook. If you found common name, choose a different hashtag. Step 4. See when all letters run together don't form new word. For example, hashtag of kids exchange, which could be misread as kid sex change. Step 5. Use it as your business tag that you and your customer can use anytime and on any website. You can also use it on your PowerPoint presentation, flyer, ads, and packaging to get people accustomed to seeing it and using it to tag their post about your products or services. For example, branded hashtag of KitKat is hashtag have a break, and their consumers share their photo with have a break community. And KitKat gets lots of authentic images of people enjoying their products, which is a great source of user-generated content. Customer use it to be part of Have a Break community, and KitKat use it to engage and respond to customer mentions. A campaign hashtag is a tag made for short-term marketing promotion. For example, to promote summer sale at your store, you can make a unique hashtag to further promote the short-term marketing promotion. Hashtag summer sale with name of your brand. Promote your campaign hashtag as a method for your customer to engage with you and your other customer throughout the duration of your special offer. You might ask followers to submit a piece of their own content to be part of the contest. For example, ask followers to take a picture with the product and upload the image by Monday, and you will start getting a lot of authentic user-generated content. User-generated content paired with your promotion or contest hashtag is an excellent way to expand the reach of your promotion. The followers who submit content are now spreading the hashtag among their followers. Finally, after you find the user-generated content via your hashtag, repost it. Make sure to get permission of using the image as a condition of entry in the contest. Start using the branded hashtag on all the posts, marketing material, website related to promotion of the contest. Give followers instruction for using the hashtag in their post. During your promotion or contest timeline, check the hashtag routinely to monitor the conversation or gather contest entries or both. You can use the same 5 steps which has mentioned earlier in this video to make campaign specific hashtag. Thanks for watching this video. You can share your experience or feedback in the comment section below.